Hey friends, welcome back. We're gonna be doing a week in my natural hair. So right now I'm actually getting ready to go to the gym. Yesterday was wash day and I decided to do like these two flat twists. I haven't done flat twists in so long. And honestly, I just wanted something really quick for this week to do. I didn't want to do mini twists. I didn't want to do a wash and go. I really did not have any styles in mind that I wanted to do this week. So I just went ahead and did these cute little flat twists. Fun fact, I used to do this hairstyle all the time and I kind of laid off doing it because I found that the middle of my head would have just a little bit of breakage from doing this hairstyle too often, so I just laid off. But yesterday I just decided to put these two flat twists in, and this is exactly what we're going to be rocking with for the rest of the week. And being that we're going to the gym, I'm not going to have my hair out like this. I feel like it looks a little crazy, so I'm just going to take a little scrunchie. Sometimes I'll use a satin scrunchie, but today I'm just going to use this black regular scrunchie just to put my twist up a little bit. So as you can see, my hair is put away. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. This is how I'm gonna go to the gym today. I actually really like this hairstyle. I think it's really neat. It's cute. You can really style this hairstyle for any occasion, like whether you're going out to eat, whether you're going to the grocery store, or whether you're going to the gym. I feel like this is like the perfect hairstyle. Your hair is out the way. I don't do my edges when I go to the gym. I just feel like it's not necessary. I'm gonna be sweating anyway. So yeah. And before we go to the gym, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I actually use to style my hair like this. So I decided to revisit the Camille Rose Guava Slip line again because I really and truly like their leave-in and whipped souffle styler. These together are definitely a powerhouse, and I feel like my moisture really lasted for a long time, so I decided to just revisit it again. And also for my edges, just to give it a sleek look, I went in with one of my favorite braiding gels. This one is also from Camille Rose. It's their mint condition nourishing braiding gel. I'm now realizing that all the products that I used for wash day yesterday basically was from Camille Rose. That's that for today, y'all. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. We did not do anything to my hair, which is why I just decided not to really film yesterday. I went to the gym. I didn't do anything crazy. And if I do sound a little sick, it's because New York's weather, I'm tired of it. One day is 77, the next day is 50 degrees, and then the next day is 49. Like, it's literally getting me sick, and I don't have time for it. So today we're gonna be refreshing my hair because y'all, look at this. Definitely looking a little rough, so we're gonna get this fixed. So we're just gonna refresh this and make it look better. So yeah, so for my refresh routine, I don't really do too much, and I'm not going to refresh my whole head with the products that I use to style it because my hair is still pretty much soft and hydrated. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my rosemary water. I'm gonna go in with some mousse to tame the flyaways, and then I'm gonna oil it and then go in with some gel in the front of my hair, of course, to give it that sleek look. My hair looks so crazy. So yeah, like my hair is pretty much still soft and my hair is not blow dried. As y'all know, I am on this 5-month challenge of putting no heat in my head. Honestly, the no heat challenge has been going well, and I feel like my hair is really flourishing. Like, I can actually see my hair flourishing without putting heat in it, and I feel like that's a big thing. Like, even when I shampoo my hair or when I deep condition, I feel like my hair is getting longer and it's looking healthier, and I feel like that's due to my consistent routine. And like I told you guys, you really need to stick to a routine and have a regimen and pay attention to what you do every month to your hair. For the past few years, you know, I've been taking care of my hair. I wear my natural hair majority of the time, but I feel like before I never paid attention to what I was doing. Like, I never had a consistent schedule with my protein treatments, or I never had a consistent schedule with like a monthly detox routine. So now it's like I'm really on top of it. I have my own oil. I'm using my own rosemary water, and it's been doing its thing. So find what works best for you and just stick to it. Let's just refresh this part a little bit. Okay, we're gonna work on this side. I'm just gonna go in with my rosemary water. I made this rosemary water like a week ago. Super easy to make. If you need a tutorial, it is on my page. Just gonna spray the rosemary water on my scalp here. And I just gently massage it in. We're basically gonna do that to the rest of our head. Okay, now that this side has all the rosemary water, we're gonna go in with my hair growth oil that I am currently working on. So we're gonna put some on here, and then we're gonna oil my scalp. I have to make more of this. It's almost done. I'm gonna put some at the front of my head, not too much though. I'm also going to start bringing vlogging and lifestyle stuff to my page. So let me know if you guys are going to be interested in seeing that. There's so much more to me, so I'm going to be bringing a lot more to my page. You guys are going to see a lot more of my personality. I'm entering my grown woman era, and what better way to just display that and show you guys some more of me. And plus, I don't want to get bored with the hair content. Like, I want to be able to do other content besides hair, because some days I don't do nothing to my hair, and I feel like I don't want that to stop me from creating content. I should show the other sides of my life. Just be prepared, and if you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you will definitely see more of that. So enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna go in with the Nourishing Camille Rose braiding gel that I spoke to you guys about, and I use this gel just to sleek the front of my hair. Just gonna put some of that on my edges. I think one thing that I like about this gel is that I haven't noticed any flaking yet, which is great. And I'm gonna use my comb, and I just like to just bring the hair back. Y'all, look at how sleek that looks already. And we didn't even brush it. Look at how sleek that looks. Look at that. Okay, and then for my ends, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the Whipped Souffle Styler. Just gonna go in with a little bit. And I don't know if I mentioned previously, if I did, I'm sorry for repeating myself, but one of the main reasons why I stopped doing this hairstyle is because when you do this hairstyle too often, you can create some breakage in the middle of your head, which is what I noticed. Because I haven't done this hairstyle in a while, and I probably won't do it anytime soon, I feel like I wouldn't see any breakage as much as how I did before, which is great. Hey y'all, happy Friday. As you can hear, I sound probably even worse than yesterday, but I promise you, I don't even feel that bad. As you can see, I did take down my 2 twists. I actually just took them down. I want to refresh my hair and do a different hairstyle. Today we're going to the gym, and honestly, I'm just kind of over these twists. Like, I don't know. I just don't want them in my head anymore. So we're gonna refresh my hair with a little bit of water. I just refilled my little spray bottle. I actually got this for Christmas last year, and I have been using this more than the other one that I got from Sally Beauty. The other one from Sally Beauty is like huge compared to this. Let me show you guys. But look at the difference between these two. Like, this one is so much bigger, and then this one is of course smaller. Okay, so I'm going to refresh my hair with everything that I used to do my twist. And I think for this hairstyle, I know I said I'm trying to give my middle part a break, but I really don't want to pull my hair up. I kind of want to do like 2 little cute buns on the side, like middle part, slick back, cute little buns. Moving forward, I'm definitely not doing any middle parts though, because absolutely not. I cannot wait until I'm done with this last partnership, because I kind of want to put my hair away in mini twists for maybe like 4 weeks or 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. So we're gonna refresh my hair with some water, like I said, and then we're gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner along with a Whipped Souffle Styler. I'm not gonna use a lot, I'm just gonna use a little bit. I'm also gonna detangle my hair as well. We're gonna go with a little bit of water. Okay, let's go in with the leave-in. I'm only gonna go in with this much. I don't really mind this leave-in being lightweight. I'm just gonna finger detangle first. Always finger detangling before anything else. I know a lot of people had questions about why they would see me sometimes in my videos wearing gloves. And I kind of just want to answer that question right here. Sometimes you will see me wear gloves in my videos depending on my nails at the moment. I think my recent videos on TikTok, I was using gloves while doing like my flaxseed gel pre-poo. And during that time, my gel polish was lifting. So if you want to avoid any sort of nail snagging, because what will happen is that your strands are gonna get stuck under your gel, or like y'all already know, if your nails start to lift because you need a fill-in, your hair's gonna get stuck under that and it's gonna get snagged, and that's just unnecessary breakage. So to prevent that, you just want to wear gloves. And I also like to wear gloves when I do my herb mask, because honestly and truly, if I just got my nails done or my nails are still fresh and I don't need a fill-in anytime soon, I would wear gloves just to prevent that getting under my nails, because yeah, I just don't like that. So start with the ends, and then we're gonna go ahead and detangle further up. Y'all, I can't even lie to you. Ever since I did that protein treatment, I know a lot of people say, why do you put food in your hair? Da, da, da. And then some people do it. Some people do put food in their hair. My hair, I have noticed less breakage, less shedding, and I'm so happy. And I also don't know if it's because of like the rosemary water, but I have noticed less breakage. And I'm so happy about that. So I think maybe every 3 months I'll probably do like a protein treatment. I'm going with the Whip Souffle Styler. And I also noticed that in order to reduce any sort of flakes in your hair when you're restyling your hair, always use the same products that you used previously. I would say the only time that I've noticed some difficulty when it comes to restyling my hair and I use a certain product is if I use mousse, because mousse, I don't know, I haven't come across a mousse that is moisturizing. All right, so we're gonna go in one more time just to make sure everything is detangled. Perfect. And I think I'm just gonna put this in a twist. How juicy this twist is, look at that. We're basically gonna repeat the same steps. Water, leave in, finger detangle, detangle. I've been using this Baskin Lather edge control for some time now. I actually want to test it in the gym to see if it will last in the gym. This edge control is really good. Like my edges really last, but does it last in the gym? I want to test it out and see. I don't know, I might do that today. I think I might just lay my edges just a little bit. And I didn't lay my hair down too tight. I just put it back in these two cute buns. Just very minimal, low tension. Yeah, that's cute. Style the edges like that. So in total, this is how much shedding that I had, which is honestly not bad. I'm very happy about that. What is your favorite thing about wash day? Like some people, they say their favorite thing about wash day is cleaning up all the mess after. And then some people say their favorite thing about wash day is, I think, the process of you washing your hair and you like setting up for wash day. Some people, they really enjoy the cleanup process. All right, y'all, 10 minutes has passed. Let's take off this scarf. I'm not expecting a sleek look. I'm expecting it to look a little bit more laid down than before. Okay, not bad, not bad. Y'all see the edges? Look at those edges. Beautiful. I think my hair looks really cute. And as they say, the back of your hair is nobody's problem. Really cute, quick hairstyle. Happy Friday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all won't even believe what happened. Literally after that clip on Friday, I started to feel so sick. I didn't end up going to the gym. And then Saturday, I had an event with my mom, so I did this cute little slick back hairstyle. But thank you for staying until the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Love y'all. Bye.